Hi, welcome to the Delicious Recipes. Today we're gonna cook spring roll. Okay guys, this is our ingredients we're gonna use for today. Okay, let's start to prepare our ingredients. And now we're gonna cut our red bell pepper to small piece to square shape. And this green onion we're gonna put this for garnishing to our spring roll. And guys, if you don't have snow peas, you can put other beans as long as still fresh your beans. Any kind of beans with the skin, not without skin. Okay guys, we're using Chinese cabbage here because the Chinese cabbage is soft and more tastier. And if you don't have garlic crusher, you can cut the garlic to a small piece. Okay, some other people they cut lengthwise the carrot, but for me, I prefer to cut cube shape and small. Okay guys, this is the ground meat chicken we're gonna use. This is around 225 grams. Okay, let's start to cook. First, we're gonna fry our garlic and next our onion. And we're not gonna cook too much our onion. If you see our onion is soft, it means our onion is ready. We're not gonna cook until golden brown. We just want to achieve the softness and that's it. And next, put our ground chicken meat. Okay guys, when you see the meat is cooked already, you can put the 1 tablespoon soy sauce. And next, put the carrot. And now we can put cornstarch. Why we put cornstarch, guys? We put cornstarch because the meat and vegetable they strong stick together and it gives more tastier. And make sure guys the cornstarch is cooked. If the cornstarch is not cooked, the taste is different. And next we're gonna put our bell pepper. And next, put the snow peas and cabbage. And guys, don't cook too much our snow peas and cabbage because after we roll in the wrapping roll and we fry, it's gonna overcook and it's not a good taste. And next, put the salt. And next, put the garlic powder. And put the black pepper also. And next, we're gonna put the spring onion for garnish. Okay, now our vegetable and meat is ready and we're gonna wrap this in the spring roll wrapper. And now we need to wait to cool down a little bit because if we wrap this very hot, our wrapper is gonna break. And while we wait to cool down this one, we're gonna prepare egg to sell to our spring roll. Okay, let's start to wrap our meat and veggie now so we can start to make the spring roll. Okay guys, so I finished to wrap and I made 15 pieces spring roll in the 225 grams meat. And now let's start to fry this one. Guys, make sure your cooking oil is hot but not too much hot because the wrapper is gonna burn fast and the inside is not enough yet. We're gonna fry this one until the wrapper is golden brown. Okay, our spring roll are golden brown already and let's take out this one. Okay guys, this is our very crunchy and delicious spring roll. Thank you for watching guys, and please make sure guys subscribe and leave it the comment and that I'm saying I subscribe, and I'm trying my best to reply to your comment. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.